0. We have 30 minutes at 2020. Street King, this is a radio check. We are Philadelphia Desert.
If you hear all those sounds, my friend, you're probably in the middle of an apocalypse.
Hello? Hello? Anybody there?
Relax, friend. I'm here. Let's get your survival kit sorted.
Finally. Okay, what's first?
Rule number 1. Water. Always carry a plastic bottle.
Well, sure. But what if the water I find isn't clean?
Here's the trick. If the sun's out, fill that clear plastic bottle and leave it under direct sunlight for at least 6 hours. The UV rays from the sun kill many harmful germs. Basically, the sun does the disinfecting for you.
Wait, so my bottle doubles as a germ zapper? That's science magic.
Exactly. Free solar sterilizer. Hydration, problem solved.
All right, what about food?
Canned food. It lasts years. Beans, tuna, soup, whatever you can find. It's heavy, but you won't starve.
Beans again? My apocalypse is gonna smell worse than the zombies.
Survival first, air freshener later. Don't forget a knife for cutting, cooking, self-defense, and twine for tying shelter, traps, or even repairing shoes.
Knife and twine. Got it. Tools of champions. What about telling time?
Analog watch. Phones die when batteries run out, but a simple wristwatch keeps ticking.
Okay, but how's that more than just telling time?
Here's the cool part. It's also a compass. Point the hour hand at the sun. Then find the middle point between the hour hand and 12 o'clock. That middle line points to south. Exactly. Time plus direction equals survival.
Whoa. So this thing is basically GPS from the Stone Age. And the phone stays in the bag too, right?
Yes. Even with no signal, it's still useful as a flashlight, map storage, or emergency notes. And of course, memes. Don't skip the memes.
Great. A survival kit with beans and memes. This I can handle.
Now add power, a car battery, and a solar panel. You'll need those to charge essentials when electricity is gone.
So basically, I'm building a mini power station. Not bad.
Finally, pick a hideout in the open sun. Sunlight lets you charge your gear, keeps you warm, and makes it easier to see danger before it sees you.
Water, solar cleaned. Cans, knife, twine. Watch compass. Phone. Power. Sun hideout. All right, I'm ready.
Good. Now go survive, legend.